embark on a virtual journey exploring some of Switzerland's most scenic boat tours, where serene alpine lakes and charming riverside villages promise to captivate your senses and leave lasting impressions. The tranquil waters of Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Thun await, with each offering unique vistas and cultural experiences that showcase the best of Swiss beauty and charm. Our journey begins at Lake Geneva, one of the largest lakes in Western Europe. Lake Geneva is an embodiment of elegance with its glistening waters and sweeping views of the Alps. From the deck of a traditional paddle steamer, visitors can soak in the beauty of picturesque towns like Montreux and Vevey, both known for their stunning promenades lined with flowers and palm trees. The lake is also home to the Château de Chillon, a medieval fortress standing proud on the lakeside, offering a glimpse into the region's rich history. Next, we navigate to Lake Lucerne, often referred to as the heart of Switzerland. Encircled by soaring mountain peaks and lush forests, Lake Lucerne offers a more intimate setting. The boat ride through these calm waters reveals an extraordinary landscape of fjord-like inlets and valleys. The highlight of the tour is undeniably the iconic Pilatus Railway, visible from the lake's surface. This cogwheel railway takes visitors to the summit of Mount Pilatus, providing panoramic views of Lucerne and its surroundings, a spectacle best enjoyed from the serene vantage of a boat. Our journey continues to Lake Thun, a gem hidden amidst the Bernese Oberland. Nestled against the backdrop of the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau, Lake Thun offers stunning vistas of these majestic mountains. Boarding a ferry, travelers glide through crystalline waters, passing storybook villages with timber-framed houses and lush vineyards cascading down gentle hillsides. A notable stop is the charming town of Spies, where time seems to slow down, inviting visitors to explore its castle and relaxing lakeside parks. As we glide across these serene waters, each lake sings a distinct melody of natural beauty and cultural richness, drawing millions every year to experience their magic. Whether it's the grandiose expanse of Lake Geneva, the serene elegance of Lake Lucerne, or the hidden allure of Lake Thun, Switzerland's boat tours offer vistas that will remain etched in memory long after the journey ends. So sit back, relax, and let these timeless waters whisk you away on an unforgettable adventure through the Swiss landscape. Did you enjoy our virtual journey? Subscribe to the channel for more incredible adventures around the world. Explore the links in the description for exclusive travel resources and offers, and don't forget to watch the next video.